Hello dear, my name is Barbara and I am a professional presenter and educator at TalkingDeck. I will be your host for the second tutorial in the TalkingDeck series. In the first tutorial, my colleague Harry has explained the basic concepts behind the TalkingDeck. Once you have your Google Slides presentation, and after you add the narration to your slides using speaker notes, you can easily export the presentation as an animated video. In this tutorial we will cover the TalkingDeck options in more detail. We will learn more about different features available and they will allow us to unleash the full power of the application. Now that you know how to add narration, test your slides, and export video, let's take a closer look at the available presenter characters. As you have seen, if you click the Change Character button, a selection dialog will pop up. You can either choose not to have a character in your video, or you can select one of my colleagues. Each character has two variants, full body and torso only. As you can guess, the variant used for this video is torso. I will now switch to full body variant to illustrate the difference. Okay, here I am in full body variant. You can freely switch between the variants of the same character during the video. We will cover the ways to do this in our next tutorial. Let's get back to the torso variant again. Here I am, back in torso variant. Another interesting feature of TalkingDeck characters is that they can take 5 body postures. We call them sprites. For example, my current body posture is marked as Sprite 0. Here is the Sprite 1, Sprite 2, Sprite 3, and finally, Sprite 4. Let's get back to Sprite 1. You can easily change the current posture by adding sprite tags. Here is an example of a sprite tag. It consists of open square bracket, followed by the keyword sprite, then colon, and the desired, new value. The last character in the tag is closed square bracket. In this case, using tag, we set sprite number to 3. If you add the sprite tag to one of your speaker notes, you will notice that the character posture will change once the narration reaches the tag. Let's say that our initial speaker note text was, "Hi, my name is John Doe." Then we add sprite tag in the middle of the sentence. The character posture should change just after the word is pronounced. Let's try it. I will now pronounce the example. Hi, my name is John Doe. See how the posture changed to Sprite 3 as we wanted? How great is this? Remember, all tags in TalkingDeck work this way. Once the narration reaches the position of the tag within the text, the tag will be applied. Alright, in this tutorial we have learned how to choose characters, add sprite tags and change character sprites. A big leap forward, if you ask me. In next tutorial you will learn how to change positions and size of TalkingDeck characters. Make your presentation decks talking and don't forget to have fun. Bye bye now.